Who's been waiting there? We go to Minneapolis. Roger is there. Roger on the show, and we're all listening.
Hello. Thanks for taking my call. I would like to deed. My wife and I would like to deed our house over to our kids. We'd like to know if a quitclaim deed is the best vehicle. Plus, should we register?
Or an attorney.
All right, let's
Jeff's an attorney too, so. Okay.
The question is, should they quitclaim deed the property over to their children, or what's the best route?
What's the best route to do that? Either
to your
quitclaim
children.
deed, or should you do something else?
You know, there's a wide variety of things that you could do, but I think a quitclaim deed is probably not the best option. And there is a payable on death or deed now that the title doesn't actually transfer until the parents die. It's a much better option in most cases. I would certainly talk to an estate planning attorney before you transfer the property.
Great answer.
Yeah, that's the right way.
He sounds like an expert.
Because I'll tell you what, and for the listeners that don't know what a quitclaim deed is, it's basically a deed that just gives over your interest to the property. That's not giving clear title or anything like that, correct, Jeff? Right. Oh, throw him the microphone there.
And another thing that it does is that if there's an unfortunate event for one of the children, either they die, they have to file bankruptcy, they get a divorce, they suffer a judgment against them, all those things then become issues, title issues, and financial problems for the property. So I've actually had clients that had to probate their children's estate to get the property out of the children's names so that the parent could then later sell or do something different with the property.
You know, that's another thing, Andy, I learned. Mr. Guy who does all the investment properties, and we have quite a few of them.
Yep.
And what happens is you buy them personally and then transfer them into an LLC.
Yep.
But what I found out, 22 years in the business, I found out about 6 months ago, that if you do that, your title insurance is not valid anymore.
It voids.
That your owner's title policy.
Actually, Rob Mackey.
Is that true?
That's correct, because the policy is written to a specific person's name. So if you transfer it out of that person's name into a business entity like an LLC, it would be just like transferring your car to someone else, and then your car insurance isn't effective.